welcome to Tracy's Transformational Kitchen. I am so glad you could join us today. We have a really fun lesson this week. It's the week we've all been waiting for. It is our desserts week. Woohoo! I love dessert week. The first thing that we're going to do is have you watch this little YouTube video. This is an interesting experiment, so to speak, that a science teacher uses as a question that he received: how much sugar is in a can of soda pop? So it's a few minutes long. Go ahead and watch that and see how much sugar a person drinks when they drink a can of soda. Using this same idea of measuring the sugar, we are going to do a little experiment of our own. In your reading, you will notice that the average American consumes 46 teaspoons of sugar a day. Let's see how much that really is. Here, there's 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 12, 13, 22, 30, 41, 45, 46. And there you have it, 46 teaspoons of sugar consumed by the average American in one day, found in bread, salad dressings, soda, and desserts, to name a few. What were we thinking? Well, the fact is, we really didn't know any better. Remember our friend here? Hello. We talked about the body being a result of what we put into our mouth, which is true. We also talked about what we put into our mouth is simply a result of what we have put into our head. At the beginning of the mentoring program, we had you read part of this booklet, As a Man Thinketh. You can see as you've gone through your transformations why this has become so important. When we change what we know and uplift our thoughts, staying on track becomes so much easier to do. In Objective 2, we will review Transition 6 and answer the question, what are wholesome sweeteners? Transition 6, choose wholesome sweeteners with which to sweeten your life. Begin to zero out treats and other foods sweetened with refined sugars. So we want to move to the more wholesome sweeteners. Such staples, I use them all the time, the honey, the agave, maple syrup is what I would use that, and the organic sugars, the organic white sugar, brown sugar, and powdered sugars. I want you to be able to get a visual on what this is. We have on the left the organic sugar, on the right we have the refined sugar. Look at the difference between what white sugar and organic sugar looks like, so you can see the color difference, and I wish I had a little smell mechanism on the video so you could smell the difference. It's really an amazing difference. The white sugar smells very chemically. It's a very strong chemical smell, and there's a very mild smell to the organic sugar. Our third objective today is to have you watch Becca's video on how to make sugar cookies. The reason for this is Becca uses a lot of the alternative ingredients that are used in baking to make a more healthy baked good, and so you'll be able to see what she's using and how that applies to your baking. When you have finished watching Becca's video, that will conclude the video lesson portion for Lesson 8. Your reading assignment is Chapter 8 of Tracy's Transformational Health Principles. Thank you for joining us today at Tracy's Transformational Kitchen. Have a great week.